Nike is bringing back its original color blocking for the Air Max 90 with a new neutral gray, white, black and purple version for ladies. The 2020 debut of the redesigned Air Max 90 model may remind you of the sneaker's inspiration from the Hyper Grape colorway. Using the same concept as the infrared AM90 and numerous others, the purple accent color is prominently displayed on the lower eyestay, mudguard window, midsole wedge, and heel badge. The materials are the only things that have actually changed. While the Hyper Grape had lightweight mesh and a suede quarter, this next women's colorway chooses a more durable, tight-knit base layer and all leather overlays. Nike.com and physical stores should soon have the women's Air Max 90 neutral gray, white, black, and purple, which retails for $130 US.